It is time for an exercise bite with Lenny the Porcupine and Miss Lori at Love and Learning Lodge, where we introduce a couple of ways you can incorporate some movement into your day. Our first one, I will just talk about first, and then Lenny and I will demonstrate in just a little bit. It's just rolling. Rolling a ball back and forth. You can sit down on the ground, start out with your feet touching, and just roll a ball gently back and forth. You can spread apart a little bit, or even spread all the way across the room and try to roll a ball between you back and forth. However many people are in the room, it can just bounce between everyone. Our second movement to talk about today is introducing the concept of going through something, our bodies going through something. An easy one is something like hula hoops, where you can go, your body can go through the hula hoop. Maybe you have some pop-up tunnels that you can climb through. Maybe you can set up some chairs and crawl through the chairs, or depending on how many people you have, make a tunnel holding hands up high and someone going through the tunnel. Just look around, use your imagination and creativity, and see what you can find to go through. So Lenny and I will roll a couple of balls. Are you ready, Lenny? All right. Here's a ball. And looks like my dog Reese's wants to get in on the action. Do you want to roll a ball too? Yes, I love you. Oh, and Vanya too. We are rolling a ball back and forth. I'm not sure you can even see Lenny. We can put Lenny up there and pretend that we're rolling the ball back and forth. And then see if you can jump through this hoop, Lenny. Are you? Whoa, I'm sorry, Lenny. You just fell down, didn't you? Okay, ready? Jump. Whoa, great jumping through the hoop, Lenny. And now it is your turn. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and leave me some comments as far as what else you would like to see and what you're enjoying, so I can give you more of what you need and what you love. Now you can move your body just like my dogs are doing. Now you know just what to do. Move your body. Now the rest is up to you. Bye-bye.